Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're heading to a prenuptial shoot and super pretty bright to be May 25 guys. Masala-salam. Hi! Hi, dear! Asa ka mo doon? They're here. I don't know. Hello! Behind the scene siya guys. So excited na may mga tumi sa Genesis Valley. So, see you there. We're going to meet the photographer. Bye. We're here already, guys, sa Genesis Valley, and the photographer is directing the soon-to-be couple, Sergio.
Tanaw dito, ma'am.
So, nag-ano na mi guys, second outfit. Parang couple. Busy kami picture-picture. Oh, photographer.
Forward.
Yes, I forward.
Good, very good. Closer, ma'am. Ano din, mabilis ang baito mo, ma'am. Sir, tubang dito, ma'am.
We're done for the second set, guys, and we're having our lunch. So ngayon, torta. Ikaw nagluto ni Miss Grace?
Hindi. Ako rin nag-distribute.
Sir Jun, hello Sir Jun, I'm a photographer for today. Hello. I'm going to place his link on the description box, guys.
Thank you.
Grabe. Amazing kay guys. Paspas na Sir Jun, and then excited na ko sa mga shots.
Ariday, oh.
Nindot siya kay awesome. Ngaon na ta. Guys, we're here na sa malapit na kami sa pool. Ang ganda ng mga guys, yung parang net. I don't know ano yun. So, punta na kami. Mga supportive cast. Mga supportive kami. Supporting role. Nami diri sa sulod ba? Nice kayo. Super nice. The couples are there. Yeah. Kami kabaw kung dapat ba ming naadiri or wasad mi na ng head, basta mo na siya. No, nice kaya akong skin dere guys. Korean baby glow, charot. Yeah, namin kiss lang ito guys. Magpaabot rami, pero nindot siya kayong room guys. Tanaw guys ha. Guys, nice kayong mga designs nila guys. Then na pa dyan love one. Murag medieval times. Oh, naibang amon sa ni siya. Kanang butangan nagtaho. Madedyo ko nice kayong painting. So, tara ang bride. Go pa kaya ang bride, guys. Bride to be. Mga supporting cast. Tara! Serious ka. padung na may sa among third set. Yeah, super pretty. How did you feel? Okay ra? Okay ra, way kapoy. Kumusta ang asi sa luyo? Na, dalaban. So guys, kalkag na kaya akong hair. We're heading to our next stop sa quarry daw guys. Inanin ni siya quarry. So wrap up na mi guys. We're done. We're so happy. We have a lot of shots and super blessed kasi yung photographer namin super patient and the couples were parang professional models kasi ang dami naming nagawa ng mga shots. So, see you and I hope you enjoyed the vlog and behind the scene. Bye! God bless. Sarang eh.